welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is actually a Halloween look that I did on my mother-in-law. Now she has a very mature skin, she has a very oily type. It is nice and short because I have sped it up, so I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So going into this, my mother-in-law had requested me to recreate the Halloween look that I had just done. I will add a picture of it for you. So this is what I did. So I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just basically doing a glam eye look. So I have actually never done my mother-in-law's makeup before, so this was my first time working with her eyes. And she does have mature skin, she does have some wrinkles on her eyelids, so I did find using my finger a lot easier than using a brush. So I did have her do her own mascara. This was just so I didn't poke her in the eye, and she felt more comfortable doing that herself as well. Now this was the first time she has worn false lashes, so she was very excited about it. She loved it. She just wanted them a little bit longer, so I do go and place an individual lash on the very end as well. So I have left this part in for a little laugh. So she had brought her own primer to use because it works nicely on her skin for her. And I tried to use it, but it had basically dried out and was like a very thick putty. So I had her apply it, and then we went in with the foundation on top. But we realized that the primer was off or expired, and it was just not working well with the foundation. So we washed it off, and I went in with my standard primer that I use for myself, and it worked out so much nicer. Now the foundation is very, very light. Yes, she requested to be white, and I didn't want to buy any white face paint, so instead I used the shade that I use on myself, and you'll see how light I am compared to her. I did go in with some concealer as well, just to get rid of the darkness under her eyes. So to get the handprint, I basically painted her hand and had her put that on her face just to give me an outline, and then I was able to fill in the areas that needed the extra paint. So here I didn't realize my camera had turned itself off, so all I did was add the extra bit of blood. So I just used a brush and I had a little bit of extra water on it and just squished it against her face to create the droplets. Time for the wig! And here she is trying to be me. And with the costume. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!